Carol, one of my favorites are these grasses, these big, giant, ornamental grasses.
This is Miscanthus.
This is Miscanthus Morning Light. Great plant choice. Really thin blades of grass on here, so it's not going to create a really dense thicket of leaf.
Gets big though, right?
Yeah, it does get rather large, up to probably about 6-7 feet. And then with the tassels, these are actually the seed heads. They're not feathers, as some people call them. They're actually seed tassels. That may give you about another foot of height over the top of it. But a real wispy, open, airy kind of plant, so there's still going to be a lot of movement. It's, again, not going to be this suffocating, overwhelming type of plant choice.
And I hear maintenance with these is pretty easy.
Yeah, usually what I tell people, especially new gardeners that aren't really sure what to do with grasses, don't cut them before the winter time. Even though the colors are going to be draining out of them, leave it for some kind of texture in the garden. The little birds that hang out in the wintertime in this area are still going to need some place to hide, and they're going to hide in the inner areas of all these grass blades. But when I cut mine back, I wait until the winter winds start whipping up. And as you know, winter winds can be pretty gnarly in this area.
Yeah.
And they'll just rip these grasses to shred. I usually cut mine down to about maybe 2 or 3 inches,
That's
just
about
some
what
stubble, just so that you're aware it's out there, but you don't need to cut it necessarily flush with the ground.